right next to it, water resistant. It's a mess. It really is. Pika. I'm so shiny. I am. Woo! Fuck, I have to fix my fucking brows. Silly me. Fuck me around the fucking. I don't have one. Oh, where is this? Goddamn. See this, Buddy? Oh, yeah, she's right. Here we go. Here we go. It's actually so nice. Now, this is so complicated. It's fucking beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, it's fucking nice. Alright. What? Oh, disgusting. I'm sorry. We're gonna game. No, I wish I would make a game out of this shit. Stupid shit, dude. Actually, there has been. Zaya! Another one bites the motherfucking dust. But yeah, if you wanna pop one in my pussy, hey, don't have one, so next time you can try. But I still won't have one because I never had that. I think Rex would fuck me. But get. Whoa. Bye bye. Who says bye bye?